Hi everyone! Today, we start with what is Flutter? Flutter is an open source mobile UI framework. It is just developed by Google in 2017. So, what is it for? By using Flutter, you can make a multi-platform application that fit on any device's screen, such as Android, iOS, web app, or even Wear OS on your watch. All of this can be done just only using one single code base, which is Dart. Thus, we don't have to learn many different languages to build the programs. We move into Dart. Dart is the main language of Flutter. Since it is a client-optimized language, Dart is developed to make their client could deploy their app quickly and also easily. Dart also have similarity with other languages such as JavaScript, Java, and also C++. Next, why we choose Flutter to deploy our app? First, because Flutter is most popular multi-platform framework used in the world. There are 42% of software developers use Flutter on 2021, according to the survey. Next, there are several advantages of using Flutter. First, it uses a single programming language. The app UI and also logic don't change depending on the platform. So there is no need to have different developer team for different platform. As a result, company could reduce the cost of hiring many employees. Next, surely there is a promising development of Flutters. As we know that the usage of this technology are increasing along the time. Moreover, Flutter is made by Google, so the update and also issue are fixed frequently. There is also a big and supportive Flutter community that allow the beginner and also expert to share knowledge. In addition, Google also made some events to discuss and learn how to grow business with Flutters. Third, Flutter also have many ready-to-use widgets, and the widgets are customizable. It will help the developer create a complex work easily. Moreover, Flutter always improves the libraries with various components. As a result, the UI will be so beautiful and also very attractive.
Okay, thank you, Jimmy. Let's go to the next chapter, the model. The model in this app can predict the body performance grade from A as the best to D as the worst. It can predict the body performance grade based on various input parameters such as age, gender, height, weight, body fat, systolic, and etc. The model is trained using random forest classification algorithm with accuracy 74%. The pickle library is used to save the model pipeline. Then it is turned into an API using Flask as backend. This is the flowchart of the backend from the load model until return result into JSON format. This is the codes from importing libraries, defining labels and features, loading model, building new data as input, predicting classes as output, and defining the response. In building our Flutter app, we can use easy and simple third-party app builders such as Flutterflow from flutterflow.io. While Flutter is very suitable for professional app development, Flutterflow offers much help when building simple apps. After this, we will show you example how to build the app using Flutterflow. First, you have to make account and sign in into the Flutterflow, and then hit the Create Project button. Give a name for the project. You will see the dashboard like this. The dashboard is divided into three main areas, which is the working area on the center, widget panel on the left side and Properties panel on the right side. You can find many useful elements of your app on the widget panel. You can set the parameter of each element that you have used on the Properties panel. Next will be presented by Halis.
Hello everyone, my name is Kazu Akbar and I would like to continue our presentation about Flutter Flow. Next is Flutter Flow widget. So how do we use it? When we are using Flutter Flow widget, all we have to do is we can drag and drop the widget from this left panel here into the empty screen or working area here. For example, in this case, if you want to put the container widget, we can drag the container widget here into the working space here. Beside the widgets, we can also change the parameters of our widget with this Flutter Flow properties on the right panel. So in this panel, we can change any parameter regarding our widgets. For example, here we have a body performance text widget. And if we want to change the text, we can just type something else. And if we want to change the color, we also have it here. Next is API testing. API testing is where we check whether our app can connect to our backend or not. Here is the result of our API testing. We can see that the response status code here is 200. This means that the connection to the API has successfully established. And next is here is our app final result. Our app consists of two pages. In the first page is where we input our information regarding our age, weight, body fat, and anything else. On the second page is where we show our results. So when using our apps, we simply input our information here and then we click the predict button. Then our machine learning will provide us with the predicted result of our body performance classification. Next is our apps preview. Here is our app preview where we will play a video now. As you can see here, here is the first page of our app where we input the information and we click the button so that we click the predict button so that our machine learning model will provide us with the result.
Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next project.